Welcome to Factory Unlocked by MPDV, where data meets delivery. Today we are showing you how MPDV solves the top 10 problems in US manufacturing.
Pain point number 9, low business agility. In today's fast-moving world, agility isn't optional, it's survival. Markets shift, customer expectations change, and sometimes the whole world throws you a curveball. The companies that win are the ones that can adapt fast. But traditional manufacturing wasn't exactly built for quick pivots. Processes are rigid, data is scattered, and making changes can feel like trying to turn a cargo ship. That's where Hydra X MES comes in. It gives you real-time visibility and control, so you can make smart decisions quickly and adjust your operations without missing a beat. It's how you turn your factory into an organization that can respond, adapt, and stay ahead. We're talking about a 3 to 8% reduction in cost impacts through better visibility, accurate automated compliance documentation, data-driven sourcing decisions you can trust, and reduced supply chain risk in volatile environments. And when tariffs spike or trade tensions flare up, you'll have the flexibility and insight to shift suppliers, adjust production, and stay competitive, no matter what the global market throws your way.
Coming up next, pain point number 10, high tariffs and trade wars.